I type scratch.mit.edu and hit enter, here I go. This is the landing page. Okay. Yeah, these are the projects that has already been made in Scratch, right? Okay.
I see.
And here start creating. And here I go. I am on my working space, right?
Yeah.
So let me tell you about different features that we can use on Scratch. Okay, before we actually start making our projects. Okay, there is any character that has been used in our game, video, or animation that is called sprite. That is not called a character. In Scratch, we call it a sprite. Okay, so or I can include any character. From where we can put the characters? Right over here. Can you see? When I hover my mouse, when I take my mouse on this thingy, on this button, it gets green. There is a pop-up calling choose a sprite, right?
Yeah, I see that.
Are you with me? You both? Jamil, you also? Have you got it? Okay, now if I press it, look, there is a world of sprites over there. I can select anything. Like, it totally depends on what thing you are making. Are you making a video, an animation, a game? Which thingy? Here you go. Animals. Look, so many. So interesting, right? People. They are similar to real world people, right?
Yeah.
If fantasy, we click look.
Fantastic Frank, goat,
Hippo, mermaid,
skeleton, princess,
unicorn even.
wand, witch, wizard, wizard.
Now I'm going to food. Wow.
There's so many kinds of food.
And then also characters. Different styles. Yeah?
Letters.
We can also write our name and make a video in which the characters are dancing. This is a very basic thing that actually the juniors do whenever they have started using Scratch. So we are not going to do this right now. When we are actually coding, we would make a better project in which you are actually learning how to implement all the things on Scratch, right? Okay, so I'm going back. Here is the back button. This takes you back to your working space. Okay? Okay, so this is the working space, right? This is the result pane.
Okay.
Which thing or which motion or whichever activity we are going to put on our sprite, the sprite would do that action here, where you can see the cat.
Yeah, I see a cat.
Right? Okay. So these are the activities or actions that a character or a sprite can do. Motion, it can move 10 steps, right? It can turn, how it should look. If, for example, if I want that this cat should say hello, I drag this block and put it over here on my working space.
Okay.
This is what I did just. And if I double click the box or the block, you can see it is saying hello for 2 seconds. And if I want to change the time, I can just go over to double click, backspace. It has been removed for how many seconds. I can type any number of seconds. Like, for example, I type 10. Okay. And again, I'm over here double clicking hello. Now the hello box will be there for exactly how many seconds?
10.
Very nice. 10 seconds. Okay, like any other word, any greetings. Ji Jamil, kuch bataiye. What we can put in the place of hello, except hello. Cat kya bole? What should the cat say?
How are you doing?
Okay, let's put it. Oh, how are you doing? Okay, Ji Ans, now your turn.
Give me some milk.
Give me some milk. Oh, she's hungry, I guess. Okay, now, one thing more. We are going to put a new character. Okay? So, for instance, for example, I don't want this cat. I want to delete it in a case. Where should I go? I would go over here there is a bin button and there is a cross on that bin. That means you can delete it right from here. Okay? Here we go. Cat is gone.